Hi! In front of me is Realme C25Y, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and tap on it. As you can see, this pop-up will show up. Over here you need to select close, and now when I go back I can see that location is off. If you wish to turn it back on, click at the same icon. You can also go into settings though, scroll down, choose location over here and manage it by clicking on the switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!